I'm Jonathan and you're watching Castoff Concepts. Today we're taking a look at one of my new mini barrels. I'm going to be selling these. We're going to be doing some engraving, customizing, stuff like that. And so I want to take these apart and show you what's on the inside so you know exactly what you're getting. So this is the barrel we're going to be taking a look at. Now this is a home decor display use storage barrel. On the inside it's got a food grade liner, and you can tell by this little plastic plug holding that liner in place. Now this storage barrel, this home decor storage barrel, is set in such a way that you can store your liquids in this, but you will not have any interaction. So this is not an aging barrel. An aging barrel is just an oak barrel with no liner like this one. You can tell it's just got a hole drilled in the end. So you'll have that interaction between the wood and the liquid that you put inside, whether again that's wine, beer, spirits. And then up here you've got the bung. So you'll get that interaction between the liquid and the wood with an aging barrel. With this home decor storage barrel, you will not get that aging. This is for storage only. Home decor storage only, not for aging. But we're going to tear it apart because I want to see what the construction is of this. I want you to see what the construction is. That way you know exactly what you're getting. All right, so taking a look at this, it's got these 4 bands and this plug. The plug's glued in, so we're going to leave that alone. But I know we need to get these bands off. It looks like the bands are riveted in place. So let's see if we can get these off. So those are actually just little push pins. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's just a little push pin actually. Whoop. So something I'm finding with these, they're actually pretty well put together. It looks like the metal bands, those little tacks actually held the metal bands together pretty well. I don't foresee this thing coming apart very easily, so that's good. Alright, we'll start with that. Alright, so again, we got the bands. We got the bands opened up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my chisel, and we're just going to pop these apart. Not quite ready yet. There we go. All right, so inside construction. So it looks like they are set up like a regular barrel. They've got the curve. They are glued together. So yeah, this is pretty good construction. But again, not an aging barrel, as you can see. It's got the liner on the inside. So there's a good view. So you can see that these are glued together. So you would definitely not want to age this without, or age a liquid in this barrel without this liner, because you don't want this glue getting in to your liquid for sure. Whether again, wine, beer, spirits, whatever you want to put into an aging barrel, it'll pick up some nice flavors. But yeah, you definitely wouldn't want to be aging in this barrel. Let's see. Looks like they use, yeah. So here on the top, looks like they've got a composite board with a laminate, and same here on the base. So composite laminate. There's the food grade barrel. So again, your liquid is inside this food grade barrel, or sorry, food grade liner. That way, going in through this spigot into the food grade liner. That way your liquid is definitely not touching any of this wood. Food grade liner, you can store wine, beer, spirits in here. It will not have an adverse effect. Yeah, it's a really good quality storage barrel. So there you have it. Our home decor food grade storage barrel. It's great for customization. I'm going to take another one of these. We'll do some laser engraving on it and some customization, and you can see how that looks. But as far as this video is concerned, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to tear it apart, show you what it looked like on the inside, show you a little bit of its construction. That way you knew exactly what you were getting. So again, thank you for watching. I'm Jonathan. This was Castoff Concepts. If you enjoyed the video, please go down below, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and that little notification bell. That way you know when the next video comes up. Till then, thanks for watching.